In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a horizontal line on Tradingview, quick and easy. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know not only how to add a line, but also how to move it, customize it, and use it more effectively in your charts. First, open up your Tradingview chart. Make sure you're on any market or time frame you'd like to analyze. Once your chart is loaded, look toward the upper left side of the screen. This is where most of your main drawing tools are located. Next, find the icon for the trend line tools. It usually looks like a diagonal line. Click on that and a small menu will expand with different drawing options. From that list, choose the horizontal line tool. This is the tool specifically designed to draw a perfectly flat line across your chart at a fixed price level. Now, to create the line, simply move your mouse to the price level where you want it and click once on the chart. A horizontal line will appear and extend all the way across the chart. This is really useful for marking support, resistance, or key price levels you want to keep an eye on. Once the line is on the chart, click on it to highlight it. When it's highlighted, you'll see small handles or a toolbar that appears nearby. This is your control center for editing the line. Here, explain to yourself or your viewers what this horizontal line represents. It marks a specific price that you want to track, so you can quickly see how price reacts every time it comes back to that level. You can click and drag the line up or down to move it anywhere on your chart. If you want to track multiple levels, you can create more than one horizontal line by repeating the same process. From the highlighted state, you can also customize the line. Open the templates and styling options. You can change the color, add text labels so you know what each level means, adjust the line width to make it thinner or thicker, and change the style, like solid or dashed. If you open the settings, you'll see even more detailed options, including visibility and coordinates. You can add an alert directly to that line so Tradingview notifies you when price touches it. You can lock the line so you don't move it by accident and remove it entirely when you no longer need it. Finally, explore related tools like the ray line, which extends from a starting point in one direction. This can help with trend-based levels, while your horizontal lines keep your key prices clear and organized.